Alright, ayan. Good morning everyone, Merry Christmas. And again, my name is Luke and I'm from the Sugar Rose Agency. And we're having our live house in Africa Live House. So, here from the Philippines, Merry Christmas. So, let me give you some songs. Ayan, Christmas songs tayo. Kahit ayaw ni Ate Ror. Ito tayo ng... Ito. Lungkutan natin muna. Sa umpisa. Good morning, Nak. Merry Christmas. My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you. Kio, Merry Christmas. In a party or dinner for two. Carlos, welcome. Anywhere would do. Celebrating the Yuletide season always lights of our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too when they share with you. Maria Fellow, Atilin Heart, hello. Looking through some old photographs, faces remember, watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, watching lights all over town, children's carols in the air, by the Christmas tree, on your head. Guys, try nyo unfollow, follow back. I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you've let me spend my whole life with you. Thank you so much sa mga next visit ngayon. Sa mga nagstay sa buhay ko this year. May ganun. Meron tayong dramang ganun. Sa mga mahal kong mga anak, yung mga kaibigan, looking through some old photographs, faces and friends will always remember, watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December. IMC start spotting lights all over town, children's carols in the air, by the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can think of a better Christmas, Merry Christmas, than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you let me spend my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas, spending it with you. Ayan, Merry Christmas po. Thank you so much sa mga gising pa. Alam ko yung iba dyan naglalasing na, umiinom na. Ako tulog, nagising lang ulit. Hello, Remzel. Rensmel, hello. Naksam. Ganda naman ang entrance nyo. Every sequels and boys selling lanterns on the streets. I remember a child in a manger as his leaves. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Thank you, Nak. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Thank you, Ate Linhart, the one to guide us. Si Ate Linhart, kahit wala sa kanilang Pasko, I would like also to thank you for this year of friendship. Be always in our hearts. Thank you, Kiyo, ang aming baby boy. Thank you so much for this year. In every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love light its starlight on the first Christmas morn. Lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice. Come and sing a Christmas carol with one big joyful voice. Proclaim the name of the Lord. MC, thank you. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holidays. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holidays. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Thank you so much, Ate Ror. Thank you so much for everything this year. Ayan. Mahaba pa tong medley na to, 19 minutes. Kakata tayo ng kakanta ng Pampasko. Kahit alam kong ayaw ni Ate Ror. Hello, thank you so much for coming, guys. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangang lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin
ako muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa iyo? Bakit ba naman kailangang lumisan ka? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Ba't may mumu na ang bibig mo? Minumulto ako. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako muling makita ka. Di ba nangyayari lang yung pag maraming viewers? Sama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko.
Alright, thank you so much. Ayan, for staying guys, Merry Christmas for all those who are celebrating Christmas. Dut-dut lang ng dut-dut habang kumakanta, di ba? Hi boys, welcome.
Pasko na, sinta ko, hanap kita. Bakit
Hi Roy, nak.
tatampo? Thank you for this year. Nilisan ako kung mawawala. Paano ang Pasko inulila mo? Sayang sinta ang sinumpa.
Aray ko, ang sakit.
Ang pagtitinginan tunay. Nais mo ba kalimutang ganap ang ating suyuan at galaw? Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta, paano ang Pasko? Alay ko sa'yo.
Voice, thank you for helping. And for those who have recommendation cards, please share.
Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta, paano ang Pasko? Alay ko sa'yo. Sayang sinta ang sinumpaan at pagtitingin Jewap upang kalimutang ganap. Gemini, ang ating suyuanan galaw. Jermin pala, akala ko Gemini. Kung mawawala ka, Merry Christmas, Nak! Thank you for everything this year. Sinta, paano ang Pasko? Alay ko sa'yo. Ayan. Pero Halloween pa rin yung background, di ba? Hindi na change eh. Thank you, Miss Nona Me. MC. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Dora, kay saya ng bawat damdamin. Ang tibok ng puso sa dibdib, para bang hulog na ng langit. Himig Pasko'y laganap, mayroong sigla ang lahat. Wala nang kalungkutan, lubos ang kasayahan. Himig ng Pasko'y umiiral sa loob ng bawat tahanan. Masaya ang mga tanawin, may awit ang simoy ng hangin. Himig Pasko'y laganap, mayroong sigla ang lahat. Sige, good night, Ate Linhart. Okay na po. Wala ng kalungkutan. Merry Christmas. Ay, wala ka pa ng Christmas, sorry. Lubos ang good night sayahan. Himig ng Pasko umiira. Kuya Lupin, sa loob ng bawat tahanan. God bless you too. Lady, hello. Masaya ang mga tanawin, may awit ang simoy ng hangin. Thank you, Kuya. Salamat po. Alright, baby. La la la. Masaya ang mga tanawin, may awit ang simoy ng hangin. Alright, Diyos ko. Ang haba nun, 19 minutes din ang kinain nun, ha? Alright, next naman tayo. OPM. Ito ba? Nakanta ko na ba to? Ay, nakanta ko na to. Wait lang. Iba naman. Iba tayo. Ba't parehas? Wala na ako makitang pampasko. Ito na lang. Cover your ears. Ganon. oras nagniningning, gaano man kakapal ang ulap, sa loob nito ay may liwanag. Ang liwanag na ito nasa ating lahat, may sinagang bawat pusong bukas. Sa init ng mga yakap, maghihilom ang lahat ng sugat. Ang nagsinding itong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Tayo ang ilaw sa madilim na daan, pagkakapit-bisig ngayong higpitan. Dumaan man sa malakas na alon, lahat tayo'y makakaahon. Ang liwanag na ito nasa ating lahat, bawat pusong bukas. Sa init ng mga yakap, maghihilom ang lahat ng sugat. Ang nagsinding itong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Kikislap ang pag-asa, dahil kanino man, dahil ikaw bro, dahil ikaw bro, dahil ikaw bro, ang star ng Pasko. Liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Ang nagsinding itong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Ang nagsinding itong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Ang nagsinding itong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Dahil ikaw bro, dahil ikaw bro, dahil ikaw bro, star ng Pasko.
Ayan. 5 minutes more. English naman.
Wanted Sweethearts, hello. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Joyous, welcome back. Have yourself, July, a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as in golden days, happy golden days of yore. Thank you, faithful friends who are dear to us. Ito na lang pala hinintay, Roy eh. Gather near to us, Esther, once more. Through the years, we all will be together. If the fates allow. Lasing ka na? Hang a shining stars upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Merry Christmas, everyone. For those who just came in, my name is Luke and I'm from the Sugar Rose Agency. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Ate Ligaya, hello. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir. Thank you. And folks dressed up like Eskimos. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe. Wow, thank you. Help to make this season bright. Nakahabol ka, te. 1 minute more. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. Thank you so much again, guys. For those who just came in, for all who did came, who did come to my live house at 4 a.m. here in the Philippines, and for all friends from Africa region, ayan, thank you so much for having me on your live house. And here in the Philippines, we are now celebrating Christmas. So, Merry Christmas, everyone. And for those who are not celebrating their Christmas, Happy Holidays. And advance Happy New Year. I wish you all the best in life.